Firstly, we need YouTube, which you are using right now. Then Garage Ringtones and GarageBand, which is the default app on your phone by Apple. To install Garage Ringtones, go to the App Store and type Garage Ringtones and install it. I have already installed it, so it says open. Don't worry, it is a free app to use. Also make sure you have screen recording icon in the control center. If you do not have, go to the settings, scroll down to control center and scroll at the bottom and you will find screen recording above sound recognition. I have already added it, so it shows at the top. To add it, tap on the plus sign to add to the control center. To set any song as your custom ringtone, let's start the 2-minute timer. Firstly, swipe down from the top and tap the screen recording icon and go to YouTube and type your favorite song which you want as your ringtone. In my case, I chose the song Avicii and play it for at least 30 seconds. Also, don't worry if you do not have YouTube Premium and ad pops up before the song, we can remove it from the ringtone in the next step. I have blurred the video and mute the audio for copyright purpose. I am tapping on the screen again and again to check this song timer. When the 30-second timer is complete, tap on the top left red button to stop the screen recording. Now swipe up and open Garage Ringtone. Tap on limited version in the center. A small ad may pop up when connected to internet. Click on continue to the app at the top. Click on the plus sign at the bottom and select video library. Then tap on the screen recording which we just created. Drag the slider to the start of the song and tap on the scissor icon below to trim out the excess part. Now tap on set ringtone and then tap on GarageBand. The app will open in the landscape view because it is the Apple way. Tap and hold the project icon and tap on share. Tap on ringtone, tap on project to rename and give a custom name to the ringtone and then tap on export. Click OK and then GarageBand will automatically convert the song to the ringtone. Tap on OK and your custom ringtone is ready. Go to the settings, sound and haptics, tap on ringtone and swipe up at the top and under ringtone you will see my tune which we just created. Tap on it to set the ringtone to your iPhone. I will mute it for copyright purpose and here you go. We have set the song as your custom ringtone under 2 minutes, that too for completely free. We can even set custom notification sound by the same method. Go to YouTube, search for a notification sound. I'll choose swoosh sound effect, turn on screen recording. Play the video and stop the recording. Swipe up and open Garage Ringtones. Go back and tap on plus sign. Video library. Select the latest screen recording and tap on set ringtone. Don't worry, this ringtone can be used as a notification sound. I will show you later in the settings. Tap on GarageBand. Press and hold project 2 which is the latest one. Tap on share. Tap on ringtone. Rename the file. Tap on export, hit OK, and then swipe up to go to the settings app. Tap sound and haptics, text tone, swipe down and under ringtone select swoosh which we just created. This is how we can also use ringtone as your notification sound on your iPhone.